Good morning. So we are working on section 5.3 about automobile insurance. So our essential question is, how can you insure your automobile? So liable means you're responsible for paying. Negligent means you're at fault. The premium, so with insurance you pay a premium. So it's the 6 month to 12 month policy price. Minimum liability is what is required by law. Okay. And it's to protect others. So we have bodily insurance injury, bodily injury liability. So that's BI, property damage, so PD. Okay, and this is to protect others. So to protect the other drivers, other people on the road. Okay, so optional is uninsured. So for people who are uninsured or underinsured. Car rental, so if your car needs to be fixed. Emergency roadside service, so like the car battery dies and then you have to go get you need a new car battery, so you need to be towed to a service station to get a new battery. That's what that's helping with. Okay, and then we also have, you can get full coverage. So if you have a loan on the car and you're still paying it off, you are required to have full coverage. Okay, so that's a personal injury protection. So that is for you. So PIP, comprehensive. And then collision. Okay. So these are optional unless you have a lien, okay, or a loan. Okay, and these cover you. Okay, so they're to protect you. Okay, so comprehensive, so everybody comprehensive. Covers damage caused by natural disasters. So like if there's a mudslide, a flood. Okay. So like a flood, wind, fire. Okay, so those are comprehensive. And then collision covers damage caused by an accident. No matter who is at fault. So collision covers damage caused by an accident, no matter whose fault it is. Okay, so we also have, so you have to pay a deductible. I know it's a lot of vocabulary. Okay, so if I spell it correctly, so deductible. Okay, so it's the amount that you pay. To repair your car before your insurance pays. Let's do an example for this. So let's say that we have, okay, so we have, so Vivian's annual premium is $2,136. If she pays monthly, so rather than paying it all at once, there is a $2, they call it a convenience fee or surcharge. So $2 per payment surcharge. You might also see it called a convenience fee. Okay. And we want to know how much does Vivian pay per month. So how much does she pay per month? Or what's her monthly insurance payment? Okay, so we're going to figure it out. So it's going to be, it's annual, so it's for the whole year. Remember, we be careful, everybody, it could be for 6 months. So if annual, so 12 months in a year, so we're going to divide it by 12. Okay, and we get $178 per month plus the $2 surcharge. So her monthly payment is $180. Okay, so annual, remember, read carefully because it could be monthly. Okay, let's look at some examples with insurance. Okay, so 5.3. Today is the 19th. Okay, that's right. Okay, we got this. Okay, so let's say that Jane caused an accident. That caused $2,000 in damage to a fire hydrant. So she hit the fire hydrant with her car. And $5,600 to another car. Okay, so how much must she pay? The insurance pay and the total. Okay. Okay, so Jane, okay, she has $20,000, $25,000 in property damage. Okay, so that's to protect others. Okay, remember that. Okay, so Jane, because this is doesn't say anything about herself or her property, so she's going to pay $0. The insurance which is also, by the way, the total. I'll show that down here. Okay, so we'll put down here. Okay, so the insurance is going to pay $2,000 plus the $5,600. So they're going to pay $7,600 in damage. So the total, so Jane pays $0 plus $7,600. So $7,600 in damages. Okay, let's look at an example, everybody, if you have a deductible. Okay, so let's look. So we say that one $1,000 deductible. He costs, so in the accident, it caused $4,300 in damages, so $4,300 in damages. To his car. Okay. So how much will Juan pay? Insurance pay, and then both. Okay, so let's look at the examples, everybody. So Juan, he is going to pay that $1,000 deductible. Okay, and your deductible can vary. So he's going to pay that $1,000 deductible. I'm not spelled deductible today. Deductible. Okay. And his insurance is going to pay the $4,300 minus the $1,000 deductible. So one will have to pay that first. So they're going to pay $3,400. So both is going to be the $1,000 that one pays plus the $3,300 that his insurance paid. So altogether is $4,300. Okay, well, let's do another example. Let's say, everybody, that it's a $500 deductible. There's $3,800 in car damages. And $500 damage to a sign. Okay. So we'll just do another example with this. Okay, so Juan would just pay his deductible of $500. Okay, the insurance is going to pay $500 for the sign, plus $3,800 minus the $500 that Juan's paying for his car to pick, so $3,800. Okay, so this is the sign. That's what Juan pays. Okay, so now we're going to do for both. So if we're doing for both, everybody, we're just going to add the $500 that Juan pays plus the $3,800 that the insurance pays to get $4,300. Okay, everybody, you got this.